Okay, let's talk about rubber inversion kit. The only Myflex I use on the machine is this. These are sturdy ones and these are good quality. So I use the Myflex on the HP extenders. I use rubber on the rest because Poseidon rubber hoses are really good quality and they last really rugged and long lasting. So you have a 16 centimeter rubber hose here, you have a block. This is a Poseidon block. They come in a different shape. If you go with Omniswivel, you can have a round one that is not that so bulky. You have one hose, 50 centimeters for the block, for diluent. You have one for the wing and one for the BOV. And then you have a separate hose that goes from the first stage to the head with oxygen. And of course you have the swivels that go inside here. If you're using this kind of swivels, you can keep the O-ring on the HP sensors, but if you're using Poseidon short ones, you need to remove the O-ring because you will squeeze the O-ring. So the reason why I have 50, 70 and 90 is because when I'm cleaning the machine, I can do this and I can just tilt over the head like this. And when I do that and I want to take out the battery, you can see that the battery is going out, the water is going out, and then you can just leave it overnight like this drying. Also with the BCD hose, make sure that you get 75 centimeter hose, not 80, because you don't want it to stand out like this, just like this cable, because then you can get entangled somewhere. Because if you have 75 centimeter, the length goes here from the block over the edge exactly, and it fits perfectly with the 75 centimeter length. So the length will allow you to flip it over. If you are using the handle, the 7 handle, forget about it. That is just in the way, and I put a handle here, which is actually just it's just attached in the corners here, outside here in the corners. And you can easily lift the machine if needed on the boat, or just want to move it out. So that is the rubber inversion kit. 2 HP hoses, 16, 50, 70 and 90, plus the 75 centimeter BCD hose. That is a Mr. Anderson rubber kit.